here we go. Do you want to do it with this knife? I can help you.
I want to do it with that knife.
Okay, so when you do it with this knife, we put our hand here and we have it like a claw so we don't cut our fingers. Go down. Yeah. Apples are not easy. So then we turn it. And chop. And we can chop this big. It doesn't have to be. Because we're going to blend it. Now we can put those in the blender. Let's bring the blender over here.
We have one of these at our house.
Sure do. Okay. Now we need 2 cups of spinach to go in there too.
Is it on it?
Okay, so we can kind of like push down a little bit. There you go. Put it all in there. It's all stuck. Smashed it in there real good. There it is. Here. I was using the knife, and even yet it wasn't a lot working.
It's good.
Okay, I got it. Perfect.
Mom.
Yeah, keep going. Add more. It's going to be a little bit of a purple smoothie. I don't think it's going to be as green as the picture. Why don't you get some of the strawberries too? Put them in there. And just, you can mix them in there. Yeah.
Can I have a bite of one?
It's going to be cold. It might hurt your teeth. He's trying to eat this frozen strawberry.
Where can I put it?
You can put it in the bowl. Oh, I guess we have to do the banana too. Ooh, we get to chop the banana. This is the fun one. Oh, you got it.
We shipped, so they don't get the produce the way I want it.
Okay. Good job there. You don't have to do it too small if you don't want to.
I'm going to do it this small.
But he didn't want me to introduce him to her. He needed to like casually run into her. So very specific. I wasn't able.
We're just doing 1 cup. So we're getting into like this line here. Yay! Okay, can we pour it in now? Got it? Yeah, you got that last blueberry. We probably will need more milk, but let's see how it goes when we start it. So you kind of need to hear it. Maybe just press it a few times. There it goes.
It's green.
You want to do it some more? So you want to make sure it's all chopped up.
He wants to add more strawberry to make it.
What do you think? Do you want more strawberries or pinker?
Yes.
You want to do that? To keep it green like that, it has to be just like, I think it's spinach, like any other ones. Or pineapple, because pineapple will keep the color. That's okay. All right, so we gotta put the lid back on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. that recipe a little bit. Just a little bit. We'll call it med smoothie. We'll rename it.
I want the whole thing.
You do? It's good. You want to try the dirt smoothie? It's still good.
And it's a tasty dirt smoothie.
It's not good.
You can tell people you're eating dirt.
I'm not.
You made a delicious smoothie.
It is really good. It's those blueberries that get it.
That's tasty.